Alright, what's good, fellas? Just started the stream. So, sorry, I just started the stream because I actually saw a pretty good opportunity right here. I wanted to start a little later, but it's actually pretty good. So we have a sweep liquidity, 5-minute push up into a fair value gap, which I will actually gladly take a trade out of. So I'm gonna take a low risk trade. I'm waiting for this 5-minute candle to close. I just want to do this so I can know. I'm thinking 30. So I like the bullish rejection out of it. We haven't broken 5-minute structure yet, which is why I'm not in trade yet. This is also a very small little risk trade. So if I do 15, okay, I'm gonna go to 15. So I'm gonna place my buy. So I'm in longs right now. I want to take it all the way up to these highs right here. So I'm in some longs right now. I will show you. I mean, you guys can see the P&L. Just took it off a sweep liquidity 5-minute retrace into fair value gap plus a 5-minute rejection. I took a small. What price did I enter? 59.02. 59.02. 59.02.75. That's where I entered, and then my stop loss is here, minus 450. Okay, it's a little more than I wanted, but that's okay. It's not the end of the world. Looks like I'm gonna get stopped out actually. I'm gonna put my stops a little tighter, just so I lose a little bit less money. Well, this is unfortunate start to the day. I thought we could, after seeing this rejection to the upside, I thought we could really maybe make some moves, but it looks like we won't. I'm holding my position. I mean, I'm already in the trade. I'm not gonna just exit out immediately. It's too bad that I'm about to get stopped out actually. Rather unfortunate, obviously, but just what it is. I guess I should have waited for market open, but it looked like a really solid trade. I'm not gonna lie. I'm very surprised this is. Well, that's unfortunate. Well, minus 300 on the day already. But so 13. Oh, that's weird. Minus 420 on the day already, actually. That's unfortunate. I guess I should have waited. Shouldn't have taken the trade. I should have waited for market open, but it looked good. I mean, I'm not mad about that loss. I'm very surprised it just dumped immediately after. Well, anyways, I guess since I have you guys here, I'll do some pre-market analysis of what I wanted to see. No, I guess we did just open the new hourly candle, so looks like we're continuing to dump. I wanna. So I'm seeing two options here. We have clear liquidity levels on the bottom and on the top. I'd rather just us to go down here because this matches a 4-hour gap. And then we continue higher. If we do come up and take out these highs, I'm not sure if we want to continue higher to fill this 4-hour gap or if we actually just want to reverse to the downside and maybe then take out these lows. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait. I'm gonna wait this out, see if we see anything clear for the market open. Everything is kind of similar. NQ is kind of the same story. Delete this right here. It's a very similar story. The reason why I even took longs is because we all have all this liquidity, this liquidity down here that we took out, and then on ES we had a little bit more. We had this liquidity right here that we took out. So I was expecting a bullish rejection out of that, which I think we will get, just maybe not right now, maybe like upon market open. On the Dow, I have no idea where we want to go. We already took out the liquidity, but we have underlying liquidity right here. We're very close to these highs, so that's why I put like arrows to both sides. and we have equal highs here too, which I know it's gonna be taken. They're gonna be taken out. So maybe now on the 5 minute, what we're waiting for is maybe a sweep of this low, and then we go higher, or maybe we really do want to come up all the way down to here, and then we do want to continue higher. I mean, we also have equal highs here, relative equal highs on NQ and ES. So I'm like right here, relative equal highs too. So I'm very tempted to go long. It's kind of my bias as of now. This fair value gap is still alive technically. For me to take a trade out of this, I need to see a 5 minute closure like above this. To be honest, that's the only reason I even take a trade out of this. Because a 1 minute is probably yeah. It's an unfortunate sell candle right here. I mean, if we inverse this 1 minute gap, I could go in for like $200 risk. We are within the fair value. Yeah, it's a risky entry, but I feel like we might actually get that. So this is on NQ, and I'm only willing to risk like a little bit. I'm not willing to risk too much on this because I already lost a trade, which I don't. So I want to give myself enough capital. I'm willing to risk 1,500 total today. So if I do 5, I think I give my stop loss here. Yeah, 5 is fine. So I'm waiting for the 1 minute candle to close above this value gap. If it does, if not, I'm not gonna go short. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna wait for market to open. It's a very tight risk trade. It's a thing. So I might actually take a little bit less risk, or a bit, so do like 4. Yeah, 4 contracts is fine, right? That is like in the if scenario that I do go along. Anyways, other than that, nothing much else going on. I have some schoolwork I have to do. Yeah, we're seeing a continuous dump here, so I think I'm just gonna wait for the market to open. Dang, unfortunate. I was not expecting us to just completely inverse to the downside. I thought we really wanted to take out those highs. I mean, we'd seen a huge push up, so I just didn't see a reason why we would want to just come up, or not come up all the way into those highs. On ES, it looked really good. I mean, we filled the middle of the gap. We saw like a bullish rejection right out of it. It didn't break 5 minute structure, but I'm okay with entering here. That's alright. Shit happens. Shit happens. It be what it be. Anyways, let me just make sure that the stream is even alive and working. See, it should be. Yeah. Okay. I also got myself another computer, so I'm gonna be changing the streams from there. I might not be able to use a face cam for a little bit, but it's fine. It shouldn't be a big deal. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wait for market to open. We're just kind of staggering right now, and I don't really want to be caught in a trade. I also took that trade because it gave it. Oh, I see. I took it on the 9 a.m. candle. Maybe that's my mistake. I don't know. I don't know what we want to do. But I guess we'll wait and see. 4 hour. Yeah, see, like we already took out all of these liquidities on the 4 hour. So like, do we really want to continue even lower? That's kind of like the reason why I went long. Like, look at this. We already took out all of that. And NQ, we took out all those. On the DOW we didn't, but we took these lows before, so I think we do want to continue higher. I'm gonna go ahead and wait. I'm gonna wait this out to see if there's an opportunity. It doesn't look like there is one as of that. Upon market open, I think we'll be able to catch something. Too bad we lost the trade immediately. That's kind of unfortunate if you ask me. But we didn't close below the gap, so the gap is still valid. And I just don't know where it is that we do want to go. But anyways, I digress. Just gonna wait. Oh, I don't know if that messes with like the open P&L thing. No, it should be fine. Alright. I should do some schoolwork, that's why. You know, I can always do the schoolwork later, I'm not gonna lie. I can just do it later. Alright, we're seeing some pushes up here. If we close above this before market open, I actually will enter a position. I'm in a position right now. Saw an inverse value up on the 1 minute, so that's why I just took it out of. It's a small little position here. Hoping we don't just get inversed immediately. If we do, then I'm just gonna wait for market to open. I kind of want to keep my stops kind of tight right now. So we'll have to wait and see where we want to go. Do think we want to continue higher. I don't know how high, but I think we do want to continue higher on this. This is honestly just to make back what I lost in the first trade. I feel like this is a good trade now. I took it on NQ. I'll show you guys the trade that I took. I entered on the 1 minute. I entered first longs. Entered right here, and my stops are right here. And my take profit is just up here. So I took 5 contracts each, I believe. Yeah, I'm in for 10. Where my stop loss is 250, I think. 285, and then this is just to see if I can make back what I lost. So I only have 1 take profit. I'll leave it at that. And I'm okay with that, to be honest. If we do go all the way up into this gap right here, I'm gonna put my stops at break even to protect the position a little bit. So I'm just waiting right now. We're still seeing some bullish pushes up. So let's just wait. Let's hope and see if we do want to continue higher. I think we do. We respected the 5-minute gap. We swept liquidity. We have a lot of buy-side liquidity that I think doesn't need to get taken out. So that's kind of what I'm basing the trade out of, and it looks like we're seeing some bullish pushes out of it. It's a great opportunity. I mean, obviously, if I didn't lose this first trade, I probably would have gone a lot heavier on this, but it is what it is. Looks like it's going in my favor. So now I'm gonna let this ride. I'm not gonna put my stops at break even yet. I need to wait for this 1 minute candle to close above this level right here, because I'm waiting because my entry is not that far from it, so I could I could easily get stopped out. I'm gonna move my stop loss a little bit tighter though. Just protect the position a little bit, hoping that we just kind of rally up. It looks like we are right now, which is nice. And now it's just time to wait and see if we want to continue higher or not. So I think it's a good trade. Honestly, I think it's a very solid trade. It's a good entry right here. There's a potential entry down here with this inverse value gap, but it would have been, what the fuck did I just click? Okay. It would have been pretty risky, to be honest. That's the only thing. Like this was, I mean, I wasn't awake anyway. Oh, I guess I could have taken this. This right here is a potential trade that you can take, and it's a valid trade. To be honest, I wouldn't be mad at taking that trade. All right, once we see this next, if we can see this next 1 minute candle close bullish, I'm gonna go to put my stops to break even, because we are starting to tap into this fair value gap right here. So, and we also have another fair value gap. Actually, I'm just gonna put my stops to break even now, because I don't want to get waked out by market open. So, stops are at break even. Just waiting for price to kind of ride out. Hopefully we do go continue higher so we can potentially take a different trade. Market opens in 10 minutes, and I think we might just stagger around a little bit until the market opens, because I think market open is going to be the difference maker. It's going to wake all the way us. It's going to wake us up here into these liquidities. So I guess we'll have to wait and see. Yeah, we're seeing some bearish pushes now. Dude, this is so annoying. Why does this shit have no time? If we inverse this 1 minute gap, I'm gonna go ahead and exit and just take like the small amount of profit that I have. So I'm gonna wait and see if we do end up inversing it. So I'm gonna watch very closely. We're still good as of now. It looks like we're just filling the gap. Seeing some expansions higher. That could just be the bottom wick of the 5 minute candle that was formed, so that's fine with me. And as a matter of fact, I want us to close above. If we can close bullish on this candle, that would be really good. But if we close bearish, I'm like very tempted to exit. Moving my stops closer because I don't want to. I'm okay with taking partials here, waiting for market open. So there's potential for this to dump. If it doesn't, then great. If it does, that's okay. We're still making some money back. The reason why I'm being so careful with my stops right now is because market is about to open, and the last thing I want is to get wicked out by market open. Like into break even, I mean, I'd rather just take some profit. I'd rather just take some profit and then set up for like a better market open trade. That's the thing. It looks like we're okay for now. I'd love to see this candle close above this. If it does, I'm moving my stops below this right here. But if it doesn't, then we're not. Then we're just gonna wait. It looks like we're wanting to continue lower right now, as of now at least. I'm not seeing any reason for us to go higher. I mean, I see the overall bias, overall reasoning. It's definitely going higher, but just protecting my position. It looks like we might inverse this gap. Hopefully not, obviously, but it looks like we actually will. Inverse this 1 minute gap. So yeah, I'm about to get stopped out. I just got stopped out. $95 profit, you know, it's not the end of the world. It's fine. Some money back. Hopefully we don't just rally now, but I'm gonna go ahead and wait for market to open before I take another position. It's really annoying because I did not want to move my stop loss. I wanted to keep it where it was, like at the entry level. But I need to protect my position. So, dude, like I swear to God, if I get wicked out again, this is actually sometimes I actually think this might be scripted, bro. Because it's the same thing happened to me yesterday. I got perfectly wicked out and then like it went the other way. But it doesn't look like the case. It looks like we're continuing lower. I think this is just a necessary rebalance before we do continue higher. Yeah, so we're filling in a 5-minute gap right now, actually. Another 5-minute gap on ES and NQ. I mean, this is looking pretty good, to be honest with you. I'm tempted to go long one more time. We're filling in this gap. This is just risky, man. This is so risky. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. Yes, it's not that far. I'm very tempted to go long right now, I'm not gonna lie, because we're filling in a 5-minute gap again. I think we're seeking those highs like very clearly, but this is following all my confluences, so I'm just waiting. Just waiting to see some, if I see the 5-minute confirmation, I will go long. Small contract size, I'll go with 10 or 10 ES each. Yeah, but nothing is telling me. I guess this was a good entry right here. Like, well, it's difficult to enter. I mean, what I entered was good. It's looking good as of now, but don't forget market open is very, very volatile. But we are much closer to these highs, so I think like the draw is pretty clear. Let me see. NQ is like, I'm very tempted to enter on NQ. I'm not gonna lie, but I don't want to get stopped out. I think we are gonna go higher upon market open. It's just a risky trade right now. We haven't even broken 1-minute structure. There's potential for us to just, but look at this. This is just a trend. This is like telling me that we do want to continue higher. See, like that. I just don't get it, man. I don't understand. Now we're dumping. We're seeing a lot of volume right now. This is your classic, like, prior to market open volume. So, I don't know where we want to go. I think we do want to go up, man. If I see this candle close above, I'm going to go long. Alright, I'm in some buys on ES. Risky, very risky, but I think the draw is clearly going up. We're continuing to respect the 5-minute fair value gap, which is why I'm okay with taking this. Looks like we want to, if we close this 1-minute bullish, I'm okay. I'm gonna go to the 1-minute on ES. Yeah, so if we close this, I think we should be okay. Alright, we close that, and we're seeing a lot of bullish, but we're seeing a lot of buys right now. It's looking pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It's looking very clear to me that we do anything higher. This is really just a classic. The most classic 5 minute for rally upfill. It's unfortunate we got stopped out on the other one. But I think we should be okay with this. And this will put us in a pretty good position after market open to potentially continue taking more trades. So let's just hope that we don't get, reversed once again like what happened last time. So if we do just go higher, I think we will. I think the draw is pretty clear that we are continuing higher right now. Just waiting for the market to open. That's it all. I don't like taking market open trades for this reason. I'm like very hoping that we just continue. Like I'm hoping we just go up. Now we see market just opened. I'm leaving it in the 5 minute, not the 1 minute. I'm just leaving the 5 minute. And now we just wait. We just wait and see. See, it's just, I don't see the reason why we don't want to go low right now. I'm gonna leave it in the 5 minute, see what happens. This is just so unfortunate, man. It's just looking so good for the 5 minute, jeez. This is really just not what I wanted. This is not what I expected. Don't take me out, man, come on. Be nice. Be nice to me one time, bro. One time market, 1, 2, this like, oh my god, man, like fucking make up your mind. You're doing 2 5 minute gaps and you're filling them perfectly and then you just fucking reverse it downside. Like what the fuck are you doing? This is so dumb. This is actually so dumb. Now, like, dude, I'm gonna get taken out and now we're gonna inverse the upside. It's like actually retarded. Why are we just dumping? There's no reason for us to dump. Like, sure, we have this tiny 5 minute gap, but like, we're right next to these equal highs. So much clarity on the buy side. This is so dumb. Alright. It is what it is. If we lose, we lose. It's just like, why? Why are you just going through all this shit just to completely... I know that we're gonna go up. I can literally see that we're gonna go up. It's so dumb. Just one giant order down candle that just fucks me. And then we just continue higher. That's all it is. I know we're going up and I know we're taking out those liquidities. I just know for a fact. So I'm just waiting for another entry yet again. I guess I should have put my stops like right here. Alright. Negative start to the day again, which is really unfortunate, but it is what it is. Now we just wait. Now we just wait. We just do L waiting. I'm telling you, bro, like 9 out of 10 times this just goes up and just takes out these highs. Look at the hourly. Look at this rejection to the upside. We have like we're all the way up here, and like you're telling me that we don't want to come up and take out these highs. Like, look at this. There's so much underlying liquidity right here. All right, I guess we have to wait for an entry, and then we can. I think that the move is higher still. I'm convinced that this is gonna go up. I don't see a reason for us to go down. I'm not gonna take shorts just because, I mean, like we almost close above this 5 minute gap. I'm not taking shorts just because I need to see something super clear for me to take shorts. And as of now, I don't see anything. I mean, hell, even the 4 hour is looking like super bullish right now. We have this giant 4 hour gap and this 4 hour gap. I don't think we want to come up all the way down into here because we already came all the way down to here and then we just didn't continue lower. We saw immediate rejection to the upside. It's like, why, man? It's like, actually, why? I'm not gonna lie. This is, that just doesn't click with me. It doesn't really make sense to me as to why we're making this initial down candle. Well, this could just be the manipulation candle, so I am open to, like I said, I'm open to longs. I'm waiting to see if we see anything. So now we haven't, and every single thing that we did see, I just got stopped out immediately after. So, I'm telling you, bro, this is gonna go up. I know for a fact this is gonna go up. With respect to the 5-minute gap, let's just wait and see where we want to go then. There's no news today, so market should behave normally, you know. You'd be surprised. You'd expect it to behave normally. All right. Unfortunately, I'm only willing to risk $500 more. So I have to wait for a really good trade. And now we just wait. Hopefully we don't just barcode today. That would be rather unfortunate. Dow Jones isn't giving us anything either. Now we just wait. We just wait this out. I really don't see any clear direction of price right now. So, yeah. I'm just gonna wait. Alright, what do I want to see in reality? I mean, if we are really continuing lower, I'd want to see us like come up into this low all the way down here and then see a rejection to the upside. But again, I'm very, very, very bullish right now. I think we do want to continue higher, and I don't know why we're continuing lower right now. We did take out just this internal liquidity, which could potentially push us in the direction of price. The Dow is continuing higher. There's an SMT as well. So we're seeing some rejection to the upside now. After taking out this internal liquidity. No clear moves made yet. What do I want to see from the 4 hour? I mean, shit. The 4 hour either completely just dumps to a downside, but I think we'd want to see a 10 a.m. close here, or 10 a.m. open here, or I think the 10 a.m. is just going to push us higher. So we'll have to wait and see her potential entry. The 15-minute gap it is, but like, dude, so much liquidity right here. We really want to continue into these lows? I don't see it. Me personally, I don't see it. Doesn't look like we're doing much anyway. Yeah. This is like, dude, this is why I don't like trading market open. It's just because I swear to God, my setups that usually work 99% of the time, market open just fucks them always. It's actually unreal how bad it is. We're not really seeing anything from the 5-minute right now. There's, like I said, there's potential for just barcoding. Today is a Friday. I think we do have some important news next week. Let me look. Oh, yeah, we have NFP next week. Okay, no wonder. No wonder we're trading slow today. I think we're just gonna stagger around. I also don't know what the fuck this was about. I didn't even check the 1 minute, I guess. Yeah, it's just like a huge push, huge sell order right here. It's weird. Right. So it's like we finally formed some bullish order flow, and then we just nope, and then we just nope, again and again and again. It's kind of stupid, man. I'm not gonna lie. This is a stinky market today. Very, very stinky market. If I don't see anything, I want to see like 10:30, or if I don't see like a clear trade, I'll stay longer. But if I don't see a clear trade at like 10:30 or so, I'm just gonna get the fuck out of here. Enjoy my Friday. Too bad that we lost. We see. I mean, 670 is not the end of the world. It's fine. Okay. I'll have to wait and see. See the Dow. Finally, the Dow Jones push up. For some reason, NQ is just continuing to dump. Interesting. NQ is continuing to sell off. Obviously this is kind of dumb, but dumb little market right now. Just the hourly, man. That hourly is, I mean, for the Dow, the hourly is looking good, but for everything else, the hourly is looking just atrocious. Like, holy fucking airball, man. Like, look at this. What am I supposed to do with this? It's just like I don't get it. I really don't get it. Why the fuck take us all the way up here just to come right back down? Usually when you take liquidity, something like this. Some like, let me see what took liquidity. Like right here. These hourlies are kind of minimal. But like you like this. Like usually a push down like this, closing above here is followed by just a move higher. Which I mean, that's exactly what was happening, but I guess not. So what to wait for the 4 hour? Maybe see an entry there. Just forming slow ass 5-minute bearish candles. I don't even want to look at the 1 minute, but the 1 minute probably looks atrocious. We just closed the 15-minute on a breaker. I know that. Yeah, right here. This is like not a bad trade if you trade the 50-minute time frame. I'm sure that this looks like a decent trade. I just personally don't see it. Yeah, we inverses 5-minute gap. Why are we just getting bullish pushes up right now? Shit. Fuck if I know. I think we have a low time frame SMT. We do. Like, is this really where we want to push up? No, it's crazy. Just one. Yeah, we don't have a. We were expecting all of this. Like, what the fuck? Like, what the actual fuck is going on in here? I don't even want to take a trade out of this. This shit is ass. Shit is straight dog shit. I want to get the fuck out of here, man. Barcode. Yeah, like, what even is this, bro? What even? I actually have no idea what this is. This is just like disrespectful. This is what this is. This is actually just disrespectful. So stupid. Stupidest thing I've ever seen in my life, man. It's actually ridiculous. Retarded, if you will. I think I'm just gonna sit on my ass right now. I saw my setup. Didn't work. Don't know why. But oh well. Like, the Dow is just up there, man. Like, what? Like, what? Look at this. Why are we just up here? What is he doing there? What in the fuck is he doing there? Oh, man. This is just terrible. This is actually just terrible. Terrible price. Terrible action. Don't see any reason to trade any of this, I'm not gonna lie. We're just seeing pushes down. Is this finally, are we finally gonna make a move? This is the time. Is this where we actually make a decision on where we want to go? Nope, never mind. Disregard everything I just said. Jesus Christ, I don't see anything. I don't see any reason to trade right now. If we can make an actual move and stop being fucking vaginas, then maybe I'll take a trade, but right now, my God. This is just disappointing. This is so disappointing. Such a sad way to end the week. Still end up positive on the week, so I can't complain. But, I mean, if I don't take any more trades, but, I mean, regardless, if I do take another trade, I'm only risking 500 bucks, I'm not risking any more, so I'm expecting to have a positive week no matter what. Start of next week will be better. To wait and see. Looks like we're finally making some moves lower with some actual volume this time. Hopefully we are uninterrupted. NQ is very close to these lows. It's like, seriously, this was really the trade right here? We didn't even inverse this gap. Like, yes, you could have entered here, yes. Or, I mean, we didn't inverse this gap either. In the 1 minute? No. Like, there was really no entry at all. I don't see it. I guess here, but I don't see an entry. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, this is looking a little better now. Maybe we're making some actual direction. Like right before, okay, so this is where now the 10 a.m. candle is looking likely to just continue lower. And I think our best bet is just to wait for a 5-minute retrace. To then continue lower. It's probably our best bet. Then again, I mean, anything could happen. So now we wait. And we sit on our ass and we wait. Or we sit on our hands on the ass. What am I saying? With the new computer, I'm gonna have a camera set up like right here, so you guys will actually be able to see. Like, my God, this is so disappointing. Can we just make a move, please? Are we allowed to make a move? Hello, market. Hello, Mr. JP. Can we make a move? Dude, like, can we actually not reverse this? Like, come on the fuck on, man. I'm actually getting pissed. This is so stupid. Can we just make some type of move? Like, this market is just, it's breaking my heart, man. That's what it's doing. It's breaking my heart. Can we at least like sweep these lows and maybe form an SMT, and maybe then we can reverse to the upside, or maybe we can actually make some type of move, and maybe we can give me a trade so I can end the week in a positive note instead of the stupid ass 2 fucking fake outs that I took. Like, I really still think we want to go up, and I think the long buyers here, like down here, are just not wanting us to come into this level. But like, what is this rejection, bro? What is this? What is this rejection? Like, we have finally, like, no, this is not the reversal right here. There is no sweep of liquidity. This is not the reversal. It's as simple as that. There's no way this is the reversal right here. Just absolutely, positively zero possibility that this is the reversal. Yes, same fucking thing. Zero chance. There's no sweep of liquidity. We only took out these lows. These lows don't fucking matter. These are the lows that actually matter. Can I please just get... Can I please chunk of that ass? Can we just please make some normal order flow for once? Take out some liquidity, motherfucking damn. Yeah, motherfucking damn. Oh man. Man. Man, fuck. That's what I'm thinking, man, fuck. Please just make a damn move. Alright, we're making moves. We're actually... motion. Minimal motion. Some minuscule motion happening right now. Very, very minimal. These fucking market conditions, man. This shit is ass. Straight booty hole. My God, dude, like, will we ever make up our minds? That's a question. Don't you think, Batman? That is the question. Dude, like, people are just getting edged right now. People went short right here. Oh, well, never mind. Yes, it looks like that. But I mean, people that did go short are just getting absolutely edged right now. I didn't see a reason to go short, to be honest, but whatever. I'm seeing so much resistance to the buy side right now. It's like ridiculous. I think the second we tap into that liquidity, we're just gonna rocket up. Can we just please do it? Because then we form an S&T as well. Like, come on, man. Make it easy for me for once. Why don't... Can I just... Can't even trade for shit, man. This fucking market is killing my fucking brain cells. It's 10 a.m. candle, about to be historic. Actually historic. This is gonna be like a historic 10 a.m. candle, man, I'm telling you. Actually gonna be historic. Look at this 1 minute. My God, what the fuck am I watching, bro? What the fuck is this? I don't want to be too loud, but god damn, this shit's just made me want to fucking punch my screen. So stupid. Alright, man. Where are we going? Where are we going? Up or down? Up or down? Just give me a down and then up, please. That'd be kind of nice. Just pew pew. Just pew pew. That would actually be kind of nice. I'm not gonna lie. That shit would be kind of clean. Alright, let's see. So much volatility. Nothing going on at 10 today. Well, consumer sentiment, but is that really something you want to look at? Bada bing. That shit is dead now. Alright, so can we take out the lows? Potentially, maybe, hopefully. Please? Pretty please? Very pretty please? This is like the most disappointing 10 a.m. candle of all time, man. I'm not gonna lie. What is this even telling me? Like, we're close below the liquidity zone. What is this? Like, what is this? Alright, I guess we're going up now. Where's the entry? Unknown. Unknown, absolutely unknown. There is no entry. There was never an entry. And there never will be an entry. I don't even want to take this shit. I'm not gonna lie. As much as like there potentially will be a move made, I don't want to take this shit. I really don't. Like, we could take off like this inverse, but like I don't want to take that shit. I just don't want to take that shit, man. It's like, why? Are you really now going up to the highs without taking out any fucking liquidity? Like, are you kidding me? This is just disrespectful. That's what this is. Actually disrespectful. Alright. Well, hopefully we can make a 5-minute gap and then we could just take a trade off of that. Again, don't see a reason why we didn't take out these lows, but if we took out these lows, I would have taken that trade, like that inverse gap trade. I just didn't see a sweep of liquidity. Why? Because the market is being a little bitch right now. That's what it's doing. It's fucking being a little bitch. Being a little pussy bitch. Like, give me anything. What do you want me to take, bro? What do you want me to take? What do you want me to take? Where's the entry? I'm gonna go on Twitter and be like, oh my god, guys, I made $2,000 fucking dollars. Look at this. Bing bong entry. The dark hole double cup triple double ice cream scoop entry. Bing bong. Fucking dumbasses. Delete that shit. I don't want to see that shit on my screen. There's actually just nothing going on right now. This is so disappointing. Whoever went short didn't take profit here. You were. I feel for you. I feel for you, man. I feels for you. Well, the Dow Jones just took out those highs almost. I didn't see that. What the fuck? We never even went down. What the fuck? We just didn't even go down ever. Alright, well, we took at the highs. Let's see if we have some rejection to the downside. See, this is like normal behavior right here. This is normal behavior right here. Whatever's going on at NQ and ES, that shit is not normal behavior. So now I can expect a couple of sells to be coming in. I'm assuming we took out Asia. I think we did. So see, now I'm like open to taking shorts. Like if we inverse this 1 minute gap, actually I'm gonna keep an eye on that. If we inverse this 1 minute gap, like this could actually be a valid trade. Because I think NQ and ES clearly want to go lower. I need to make sure that my sizing is correct. So I'm putting my stop loss. I'll put my stop loss like here. Oh, my entry is down here. Oh, never mind. I guess we're just going up. Interesting. Interesting. We didn't quite take out the Asia highs. Just 30 is probably my unit. 30, 25, something like that. So I'll do 25. So 50. Set it ready. Yeah, it's just AES and NQ are just going up now. I don't know, man. I actually don't know how to go about this. Looks like we are finally going up. Is there an entry? No, no entry. Oh, this is so annoying. No liquidity sweep. 10 a.m. move up. I know for a fact fucking Dodgy took this inverse right here. It's probably gonna work, but why? Or actually, he probably took this inverse right here. Why would you take that? Why would anybody take this? What is the point of taking this right here? There is no reversal. Alright, so I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute candle to close. And then maybe form a gap, and then we can maybe take and maybe we can enter off that. Unless we just continue higher. And then we just miss every single potential entry in existence. Looks like the second is likely to be the case. It's unfortunate how this just happens to be here. Like, this is such a stupid entry. If anybody took this shit, dude, like, you're actually, I don't understand how you trade, but you're probably a genius. That's what you are. Like, if you somehow took that after not taking out this liquidity, like, you're actually mental. That's just, in my opinion, just gambling. I don't see a reason to take that. Alright, we're seeing, what are we seeing right now? We still got 3 more minutes. Hopefully we can actually make some moves. I think if I see us come up into the hourly highs, like immediately, I'm probably just gonna step off. Like, dude, like, just give me any retrace into here. I'll take longs all the way into these hourly highs. I don't 100% I'm taking that shit. There's no bottom wick on this 5-minute candle on ES either. We haven't even broken 5-minute structure technically. 1 NQ. Still waiting. Only reason I take a trade is if I see this. What is it? Oops, not the circle. Wherever this closes, I want to see this plus a rejection, and then I go. That's what I want to see. Only reason I take a trade. If not, no trades will be taken. We do have an SMT with a DOW. I don't know how valid. I mean, it's not as valid as the ES and NQ. The DOW is kind of its own index, but we didn't fully take out all the liquidities on the DOW, so there's potential for upside too. I like the little bit of resistance that we're having from this 5-minute candle right now. Doesn't look like we're moving very much. Hopefully we can just make a move down before continuing higher. It's just crazy, we didn't take out any liquidity at all. We still haven't taken out any liquidity. I mean, we took out liquidity on the DOW, but that's it. Alright, let's hope we can survive this 1 minute. And then continue higher. I like how we're not that far off from this 5-minute gap. Like, it's pretty attainable. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark this out. That's just what I want to see right now, both from ES and NQ. Only reason I take a trade if we come down to here. If not, then I'm just not going to take a trade. So hoping we do get that. If we do, that'd be great. That'd be pretty nice. And if we don't, then that's okay. I need to follow my plan, and like if I don't see that, then I'm just not gonna trade. Sometimes market just doesn't give you the opportunity. You have to learn to wait. You have to learn to see price go in the direction you want it to without getting mad about it, without expecting anything out of it. I'm gonna look at the higher time frame quickly just for a sec. Like no bottom wick on the 4 hour. I mean I want to take it all the way up to, I would take it all the way up to these sides, but that's a little bit of a stretch, especially with a Friday, no Asia session after. So I'm kind of thinking, yeah, just these highs are probably good. I just don't see it, man. Just really don't see it. Dude, the long buyers that put their stops below this are probably like in heaven right now. They're like, holy shit, I'm saved. Slow price right now. Let's see, Dow. Okay, so we took out Asia. No New York PM yet. There's a lot of liquidity right here. I can see that these are like relative equal highs. For me to take a short out of this, I need to see a closure below this, like inverse this 5-minute gap right here. Just because it matches general order flow. This actually looks like normal order flow somehow. Took out the liquidity, push up, took out this liquidity. I think we're definitely continuing higher here. After that rejection to the downside, we should continue higher. Yeah, I just don't see anything. Don't see any reason to take the trade. Neither on NQ nor ES, and that's okay. Shit happens sometimes. finally actually seeing something, so I need to post this just for my trade. My trade collection. How much was the P&L on this? I don't even remember. Took it on ES. Let's see. Trade lines. Here we go. There we go. 357.5. Still not seeing any retrace whatsoever. I think we're just going straight to the liquidity zone. Didn't take out. Dang, these are really unfortunate trades, man. I'm not gonna lie. But like, why would we just reverse now? I'm very surprised we didn't take out liquidity. Like, this is not a valid liquidity level to take. I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't make any sense. Especially given that we have all the other ones right up there. This is how much is the P&L on this one? 337.5. Again, May 30th. And on NQ, I took this 1 minute inverse rally gap. Where are you? There you are. Man, that was a while ago. Yeah, for this was like 95 bucks, I think. Yeah, $95. Took Portugal and then May 31st. All right, so those are all the trade. Oh, today's the 30th, not the 31st. I'm stupid. Those are all the trades I took today. Price is just terrible right now. Really is continuing to be awful. Oh, I need to rename. No reason to enter any trades, literally. Like I just don't see a reason to take any trades. I took 2 trades that I in my opinion were very valid. 2 5-minute gaps, clear draw on liquidity, hourly rejection. I'm not mad about that. I really am not. So it is what it is. If I lose, like if I lose, I lose. I ended up positive on the week anyway. The price is just moving so shit right now that there's no reason for me to take anything else. Like actually, there's no reason for me to take any trades at all. Three trades, 2M. All following IG 5-minute value plus rejection trades. However, are in lifetime traits. All right. I mean, I'm still waiting. Maybe there is an opportunity to take a trade. I just don't see it right now. Don't see any reason to take anything. Price is moving so fucking slow. It's actually unbearable. Like, what the fuck is this hourly candle, bro? What the fuck are we doing here? I think we want to come up into here and then just go low after that. It's so annoying to see price go in a clear direction and not see any entry whatsoever. Look, like, oh my god, this is so, you guys don't understand this, but this is actually so frustrating. If we had taken out this low right here and I saw this right here, I would have entered 1,000,000%. 1,000,000% I would have entered. I would have entered half a position here. Probably the other half up here after evens out like here. Would have been such a good trade. I haven't even taken out this high yet. That's insane. Anyways, we have another 5-minute gap that we could fill. Honestly, I'm very, very tempted to just call it. Because price is just not behaving the way that I want it to. I'm gonna give it, I'll give it until 10:30 like I usually do. So we'll have to wait and see. The only index that behaved somewhat normal is the Dow Jones, which is kind of funny. There was, I mean, this is a risky, like super risky trade, especially like this right here. You could have entered like off of this rejection right here. You can even break structure, put stops below this, enter here. That would have been the trade basically. Interesting stuff. But I mean, because we had this like tiny 5-minute failure, but like it's like in reality, no, I wouldn't have taken that. It just doesn't follow anything. The real trade would have been like if there was an entry around here, but sadly there wasn't. And on the 1 minute, there wasn't any entry either. Not that I could see at least. I mean, this, I guess, this value gap right here. But then you have to like wait so long. You have like this to short, and like, nah. No reason at all. No reason whatsoever to take a fucking trade. So unfortunate, dude, because this looks so good on the 5-minute, like where market was opening, because we already took out all the liquidities. Like this actually looks really good. If like this is like a weird push down, I guess, so maybe that's why market is behaving so strangely right now. Like look at this, it's just negative volume right now. I'm sure there's something going on. That's probably why market is behaving like this. I'm dead. I'm just gonna give it 5 more minutes and then I'm just gonna call it. We just hit the 2 candle sticky. I like this. Big moves. Big moves. Big bearish close on that candle. Oh no. Dude, this is what I'm talking about. Like, look, it's been... Price hasn't moved at all. That's insane. What the fuck? Actually, dirty work that price is doing right now. Absolutely disgusting dirty work. I really don't get this, but yeah, it is what it is. Douchebag, douchebag. Bro, zero action from prices. This is so boring. Zero action, zero motion, no motion at all. We still haven't taken out this high, which is crazy. It's actually insane. Seeing oh, some volume. Oh, minimal volume. No, up, maybe. Nope, we're going up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pack it up here. At least stream wise, I'll continue looking at the charts while I do some schoolwork, but I'm gonna pack it up here. Fucking terrible ass day. Fucking atrocious price action. Like, this is actually just death. This is deathly. This makes me ill. That's how bad this was. But it is what it is. All right. Catch you guys on Monday. I'm gonna upload a video this weekend about what trading even is. So maybe I can get a little bit of audience with that. And new setup coming on Monday too. So should be better. All right. Peace out.